Hi, you're hearing from Engineer Asif. This video is all about SUSI 2022 Summer Exchange Program United States fully funded. Finally, applications are now open to apply for the fully funded SUSI 2022 Summer Exchange Program in the United States of America. Both male and females are eligible to apply for the SUSI 2022 Student Leadership Program. IELTS or TOEFL is not required. SUSI is a fully funded 6 weeks exchange program sponsored by the US Department of State. You don't need CGPA, you don't need a passport at time of applying for the SUSI Exchange Program 2022. The program will be held at University of Massachusetts Amherst. SUSI Student Leadership Program is for all international students. The program is advertised through the US Embassy in your country. The aim of SUSI Exchange Program is to promote mutual understandings between the people of different countries and the United States. Students with any academic discipline are eligible to apply. SUSI 2022 Summer Exchange Program details. Country: United States of America. University: University of Massachusetts Amherst. Duration: 5 to 6 weeks. Number of participants: 30. Dates: late June to early August 2022. Value: it's fully funded. Deadline: 3rd December 2021 for Pakistan. Check deadline for your country under the US Embassy website of your country. About SUSI. The aim of SUSI program is to bring university students from different academic disciplines with a deeper understanding of United States. Also, the program will focus on addressing issues of public policy and democracy in the United States and comparing US policy with that of Pakistan. SUSI 2022 information for the applicants. Both male and females are eligible to apply. SUSI Student Exchange Program is a leadership program. It's not an academic program. CGP is not required in this program. Fields: all participants who are applying should have a strong interest in public policy. Their fields of study might vary and can include disciplines such as politics, law, engineering, medicine, science, biotechnology, business, economics, international development, management, and others. Financial coverage: all costs will be funded by the US Department of States. You don't need to spend a single penny. The following things will be covered in the SUSI 2022 Summer Exchange Program. Round airfare, travel, economy class tickets, visa fee, airport expenses $150 to $175, monthly stipend up to $1,500 for the whole program, meals, breakfast, lunch, dinner, full accommodation, all field trips inside the US. They will give a brand new iPad mobile phone for communication. The students will also travel to New York City, Boston, Charlottesville, Virginia, and Washington DC during a 2-week free tour. Eligibility criteria: here are the eligibility criteria for the 2022 SUSI US Exchange Program. Students enrolled in 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th semester of their 4-year bachelor degree can apply. Students enrolled in 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, and 9th of their 5-year medical degree can apply. If you are enrolled in 2-year bachelor's program, you are eligible to apply if you are not in your final year of study. Final year students are not eligible to apply. If you are enrolled in a 4-year bachelor program, you can apply if you have at least one semester of study remaining. Final semester students are not eligible to apply. If you are enrolled in a 5-year medical or MBBS program, you can apply if you have at least one semester of study remaining. Final semester students are not eligible to apply. Be fluent in English. Age between 18 and 25 years of age. Demonstrate strong leadership qualities. Indicate a serious interest in learning about the United States. Have demonstrated a commitment to community and extracurricular university activities. Selection timeline: interviews first week of January via Skype or telephonic interview. Final result April to early May 2022. Passport and visa. Selected participants will need to obtain passport and apply for the US visas with the assistance of Public Affairs section of US Embassy. They will guide you. Travel to the US. Participants will travel to the United States in the summer of 2022. Deadline: last day to apply for the SUSI 2022 Summer Exchange Program to the United States of America is 3rd December 2021 for Pakistan. How to apply for the SUSI 2022? The application process is online. To apply for the program, please visit the official website of US Embassy Pakistan SUSI program. If you are from any other country and want to know about SUSI, then check the list of the embassies of US Embassy in your country and ask to look for the SUSI program. Now if you have any question you can ask in comment section. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. Keep watching, keep subscribing. Engineer Asim.